Hi, David here with Tough Tractors. Here we have a Yanmar YM1820D. It's 3-cylinder, 23 horsepower diesel. This is a shuttle shift, meaning that there's no shifting lever that you have to use a clutch with. This lever right here, just move this lever, shift from gear to gear without pushing the clutch in. Nice tractor, 4-wheel drive, 3-speed PTO. It's got 3 main gears and a creeper gear, plus the 3 drive gears right there. It's low hours, only 1,000 hours, 1,080 hours. Really nice shape. Tires are in good shape, front and back. It's got a brand new loader on it, joystick controller. It's got a 5-foot bucket. This will lift about 1,000 pounds up about 7.5 feet. So if you have one of those big roll-off hoppers you need to dump in, it'll do it. Really nice shape. It's been completely serviced. All the fluids changed, filters changed. You can see the new oil filter right there. Doesn't leak any oil. See, nice and clean down there. Doesn't blow smoke. Starts right up. All the parts for the Yanmars, as you heard on other videos I have, you can get online. Every nut and bolt and filter and everything you need. Hoses, body parts. There's one place that I go to that has all that stuff. And normally I can get it within 2 or 3 days. Nice tractor shown with the optional J-bar box scraper. That's a 4-foot box scraper. This thing will handle 6 or 7 foot if you wanted. I normally get 4s because people use them to clean out stalls and stuff like that, and it's easy to get in and out of. Actually, this has a 4-foot bucket on it, not a 5. Now, start it up. You see it starts right up, no smoke, sounds really nice. Engine doesn't miss or misfire. Really nice shape, good tractor. Anyhow, that's it. It's Yanmar YM1820D 4-wheel drive diesel tractor. We also have the box scrapers. We have 4-foot brush hogs, post hole diggers, used tillers. So if you want to see that, any of the other tractors we have, you can go to our website at ToughTractors.com, ToughTractors.com.